trip didn't work out, we're gonna just remodel the house.
We're painting a room.
We're doing a full remodel. This is the guest room.
We just took a bunch of stuff down.
Yeah, it's just white and kind of bland. So we're gonna paint it Endless Sea. So it's gonna be a very dark blue in here. Ah! Get him out of here. And then we'll be ready for paint and stuff. We'll probably do the ceiling, but not today. The site is prepped. We got the stuff we didn't move out of the room in the center of the room. And here's our paint. We haven't cracked it open yet.
We need to focus on getting this wall done so we can put the curtains back up because we live in Arizona and it's hot AF here.
Are you ready to put some shit up?
Yes.
That's the dick. Taking it so long, so now.
I like it.
Nice blue. Blue. Da-boo-dee-da-boo-da. All right, what are you thinking?
I like it.
I can't tell because like the light coming in from the window is very bright.
It definitely needs another coat.
Oh yeah, you can see the spots I missed. I'm digging it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
And the sea.
It's nice to have something like color drenched when you live in a desert, right? And it's like so freaking bright here.
Mm-hmm. Alright, started putting the blue on the ceiling. The ceiling first before we try to do the doors or trim. But so if the ceiling looks like way too much, then we will leave the doors alone, this door and these doors. But if it looks alright, then we'll just paint it all one color. This is gonna be the moon room. Nice dark blue. We got some moon paraphernalia to hang. You know what this is called?
What?
It's called using your head. We should have done this in the beginning, but we were impatient. We really wanted to get the color on the ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we are done. Trim is a little rough, but
Oh yeah.
otherwise the whole room is blue. She wasn't sure about the ceilings, but
No, but when you come in from the other areas of the house, I feel like it makes it look taller.
we're done. We just gotta like put the stuff back in and make it look cool.
Will come slowly, I feel like.
thus concludes our full remodel of what I call the moon room. Also, the speakeasy room, because it has dark academia speakeasy vibes. I think it looks good. It's very dark, but I'm cool with that. We still haven't painted the doors. Don't know if we will. I wanted one room that looked nice on camera, so this will be that room. But that's it. See you next time. Or not. Hey!
Why not?
Don't play with those. Those aren't for you. Just trying to play with the stuff I'm pulling out of the walls. Yeah, girl, bend over that bed. Check, 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 check. Check one. 1, 2, 3.
Roar! Dumbbell! Boy! Roar!
Oh! He's freaking out.
Not a fan of that wolf? His tail's still a little poofy.
Okay, my heavenly princess, on Hawaiian breakfast.
Thank you. Oh,
Oh, it's hot.
holy shit.
Spam rice and eggs, better.
And let's see what else. We're gonna need to get that idiot out of here because he's floating around somewhere. There he is.
You forgot there's nowhere really to put him.
He's out there. Just we'll close the door.
Okay. It'll get hot pretty quick. My big chunky boy. You want me to hold it?
Let's see if this lady was right.
I think it's easier.
Oh, she was right. She sold me on this 71-cent paint can key. And I was like, I don't need that. I just use a screwdriver. And she was like, no, no, no. This makes all the difference. And I did that one-handed while I'm filming, so I guess she's right. You got started?
Yeah.
Didn't even wait for the camera.
Boy. You're okay, bud.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. Did I?
I don't know.
I went like this.
Yeah, you did.
I just saw myself in the mirror and I was like, ew.
He doesn't normally follow me around, but when I came in here to start filming, he stayed out of here until Mary said something, and then he ran right in here and just now wants all the spotlight. And I'm in the middle of something, man.